epic package from Morphe just arrived. Can we take a moment? Oh my god, it just nearly fell on the floor. It is the Jaclyn Hill Master Brush Collection. There are some magnificent looking brushes here, I'm not gonna lie guys, and they just arrived. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna film a video using these because I want to see exactly what these are like. Also in the package, oh dear, I better move back a wee bit. Also in the package I got sent this brush. It's like a brush holder, I guess. I saw from her video and she said this is like what the Master Collection comes in. All these brushes are in the Master Collection. This is what the brush holder looks like. So it's like a square and it folds out like that. And then you fold it up like that and it's magnetized, so it's really handy to travel with, I think. But I'm going to give these brushes a little tester. There's a bit of an up close of them. There we go. I'm actually watching Jaclyn's video right now to see how or what all these brushes are for, so I can use them properly. Hello my loves, welcome back. I've just finished the tutorial using all the Jaclyn Hill brushes and this is what I come up with, and my hair looks like junk today. I clipped in hair extensions to try and rectify the situation and I feel like it has done nothing. Nothing at all. I'm gonna pick up my sister now. She's just home from work and we're going to make lasagna. I am so excited for lasagna tonight, and then I think we're gonna watch some Game of Thrones. John's coming over and yeah, I think that's basically all I have to catch us up on. Last night I didn't finish my vlog, I'm so sorry, and this morning I never even started my vlog. This is probably like the first that you're seeing of me today. My parents, like I said, are away in London, so I'm cooking for her this week. I hope I don't poison her. Yeah. Usually when mom and dad go away, she's kind of like, oh no, you're cooking this week. Not that I'm a bad cook, but it's just that I'm like, ah yeah, sure, dinner, we'll start that like at 7. Like I wouldn't come home from work and she'd be like starving, wanting dinner ready, and I'm not domesticated enough to have dinner ready on time. But today I will, because I know my little baby sister's hungry, so I'm going to make a lasagna. It doesn't take that long to make. And I know like Ollie can cook for herself and she doesn't really mind, but I said I would like to cook for her today. Because, you know, that's what I like to do for my little sister. That's just the kind of person I am. Anyway, guys, I probably will talk to you when I am in the kitchen cooking. I'm hyperactive the last 2 days. I have no idea what's going on inside this little brain of mine, but it's just like running like a mile a minute and just super happy, and I don't know. I don't understand. It's just like my mood is like really, what is that? Oh, I was like, my monitor is on my camera. My camera's still recording. That's excellent. Brilliant. And I was like, what's going on over there? I can see my leg, but yeah, it's still recording. Yeah, because I'm standing up so I can see like my leg. Anyway, yeah, better turn that off. Turn off the mic, which I often forget to do, as you guys know, and go pick up All. She's waiting for me, I'd say about 10 minutes. She'll be like, girl, hurry up. Oh, and my new Converse arrived today. How cute are they? I love them. I got them from JD Sports. Just look at this mess everywhere. Isn't this just delightful? Mess everywhere. I love when I film because I just am so ridiculously messy. I've brushes and like eyelashes and my phone just thrown there. Yeah, this needs to be cleaned up ASAP. This is just not cute at all. Ah! Morning guys, it's been forever since I last vlogged. Actual time, 4 days. I have been up to my eyeballs with work this week, so vlogging kind of came second. I'm off to the dentist this morning. I'm actually right on time. This is like a miracle. Oh, why are all the cars parked there? That's very random. John and I are going down to the apartment this evening. He has a day off today, so we're going to be working pretty hard, flat out on the apartment, and we really want to get into it kind of soon. Like John was even saying last night on the phone, he's like, I'm itching to get in. He was like, I can't wait to live with you, and I was like, I know, I'm so excited for it. So we're just trying to like keep moving with the apartment and kind of get everything done. Look at all them people out running. Fair play to them all today. I was at the gym last night with my Nevie. We went to a body conditioning class, which was actually amazing. It was my favorite class I've been to in a while. Like my favorite like exercise class. I do like the full body pump or HIIT class, but you do not get to breathe in that class. You just don't. There's like no time for resting. Whereas the conditioning class was a little bit more like there's a little bit of resting in between the machines and stuff, and I don't know how to use any of the machines. Like the trainer in the class last night, because it was a really intimate class, there was only about 8 of us in it. But the trainer was like, this is how you do it, Aisling, and I was like, oh, thanks so much. And then we swapped trainers because the first trainer does kind of the cardio and then the second trainer does the weight. So Timmy is the guy who does the second training, and I've known Timmy like for years and years and years and years, and he was like, come on Aisling, you could do it, like real motivating you. And then at the end of it he was like, now Niamh, Aisling's showing you up, because Niamh's like like she goes to the gym like 4 nights a week, 3 nights a week, and runs all the time, whereas I'm only starting to get my body back into its condition, and you know, I'm not obviously as strong, but I was able to do the weights last night and I was pretty proud of myself. And Timmy said I did a great job, so I felt great. And he's really good at motivating you as well, because he's like, come on Aisling, you can do it, come on, and like he kind of gets the whole group motivated to do the weights and whatnot. But I really enjoyed last night's class, and I'm not as sore today as I was on Saturday. Like Saturday, even sitting down the toilet was like an absolute, it was just painful, really painful. This morning I'm going in to get my Invisalign. Did I mention that? I have no idea. I'm getting my new Invisalign trays. I also need to talk to her about one of my teeth that I feel may need a filling. She's obviously an orthodontist and won't be doing that, but she might be able to have a look and tell me what I need done, because it's kind of niggling at me. I can just kind of feel it a little bit, and definitely there's a lot of sensitivity there. So boring, I know, but yeah, that's just kind of where I'm at this morning. What else have I done this week? Kind of working, a lot of working, a lot of working. I have edited so many videos and I'm really happy. I also filmed yesterday, but wait till you hear this. This is just absolutely chronic. I plugged out my camera. Sorry, let's start that again. I took out my memory card from my camera once I had done my video. I did 3 yesterday. And when I went to plug it into the computer, it had just broken. From coming from my camera to my computer, something had happened to it and it wouldn't import any of the footage. So I've lost 3 videos that I did yesterday and have to refilm them, which I'm devo.com about, because they're not, it's just annoying having to refilm, because I often feel like you don't cover the right points the second time you do it, because you're like, I've done this before, and you think you get it all covered but you don't. So that's a bit of a bummer. I'm also taking all your requests for new videos as well, so loads of you guys want like new content. I'm doing an autumn lookbook as well with Pretty Little Thing. They're sponsoring it, which I'm absolutely overjoyed with, because I really enjoy working with them. So I picked out all my clothes yesterday that I want to feature in the lookbook, and I'm so excited for them to arrive. I'm not like featuring everything like that's brand new, because I have like my own, I buy off that site constantly, so I have a good few outfits as well. I have about 4 or 5 items from the website just to put into an outfit, and I'm really excited to do that lookbook. However, it's not very autumny out. It's quite warm today, and so I'm wearing like a light leather jacket. It's 16 degrees, which is not too bad. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's not quite autumn weather, but I know as soon as autumn comes in, it's going to get really cold, like down to the 9s, 8s, 7s. It's going to be freezing, and then we'll have the 0s and the minuses coming into November and December. But I do love November. I love November mornings. I love going out for a run in the crisp morning air. It's like my favorite thing to do, and I always like to be very looking forward to November. Schools are back today. I'm not going to get a parking space then beside the dentist. No, not a hope, because schools are back. There's just, oh man, this is just not cool at all. I'm back from the dentist. That went really well. So I have all my Invisalign are in that bag there. So I'm very excited to be almost finished. And then my last session with them will be at Christmas. Oh, I need to put the window down. That's what I need to do. What am I doing? I'm like so uncoordinated. My last Invisalign will be at Christmas. And I also got her to look at one of my teeth, because I felt like I had a filling I might needed to get redone, and she said yeah, that I need to get into my dentist ASAP. The dentist I'm with, my sister actually works with, so that will be grand. I'll make an appointment maybe today or something to go in and see him and look at the filling, because it's like a hairline crack in it, she said, and that's why I'm obviously getting sensitivity. I am so boiling now. Really warm. Do we like my t-shirt, guys? Yes, I love it. I got it in Pennies, Clueless, and I loved this movie when I was younger, and my sister and I are just obsessed with it. The majority of my jobs are done. I went into Penny, got a cable for my car to charge my phone because my other one is not working for whatever reason. I don't know why, and I don't have time to go and get a proper Apple one. So it's just gonna have to make do for now. I know people are like, oh, it'll wreck the battery of your phone, but guys, that phone is like 8 years old, 7 years old. It'll be fine, don't worry. Don't stress over the phone. So I don't know about you, but I am looking forward to getting the billionaire lattes when they come back. They're like my favorite. Or I also got like one of those almond raspberry tarts, bagel tart type things. Oh my god, I love them so much. They're delicious, but they're just so not good for you. However, every time I go into Costa, I'm like, I want one, I need one, I have to get one. I also need to do a declutter of my clothes as well. That really needs to be done when I'm moving, I think, or maybe even before I move, so I don't have to bring that much with me, but it'll probably be a process during the move. I just feel like I'm just overwhelmed with clothes at the moment, and then I'm talking earlier on about getting more clothes from Pretty Little Thing. I know. What I usually do is I put my winter / autumn clothes away into bags underneath the bed, and like I vacuum out the air, and then I'll take out my summer clothes obviously in the summer. So summer clothes need to go away, like bikinis, you know, like dresses, play suits, stuff that I'm just not gonna wear, because when it's autumn it's just colder, and even on nights out I wouldn't wear them, so there's no point. And like, to be honest, I haven't gone out clubbing in ages. The last time I was out clubbing was March. Besides, you know, going to Michelle's wedding and stuff, because I think that was that. I actually so need to edit that vlog just thinking of it. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, so apart from going to Michelle's wedding, I have not drank or been out clubbing since March, and Michelle's wedding was in June. I just don't go out anymore. I feel like I'm either becoming one of two things: really old or really boring, or both. I just think like your life kind of changes as you get a bit older. You know, I was used to like clubbing like all through college, and then like, oh my god, why do I keep getting like a weird sound in one of my tires? Don't say I have a flat tire again. It's become a story of my life, flat tires constantly. Yeah, I'm just not that bothered with clubbing anymore. I don't know why. I'm just content and happy in my life, and I went out clubbing so much last year because I was like a misery guts, and I just thought that maybe going out on a night out and dancing and, you know, having fun with my friends would make me feel happier, or there was something missing from my life. I was just like, just unhappy. It was just my mind. I was just not in a happy place. Alright, I'm home now. So I'm gonna go in and see my puppy dog and Angel and how they are, and then get myself organized to go down to the apartment. Here we are at my Mosaic, guys. I don't know what it was like the last time you've seen it, because I haven't filmed this in a while, but this is what it's looking like now. All done. So I'm gonna kind of fill in this spot here. This was obviously the worst part, because we had to like put ply down on the floor underneath or on top of the floorboards to stop this all movement. So here's a bit of a nightmare, because it has to like slope up, so we didn't want it to like be not smooth that it'll cut into it. Obviously the bricks or the tiles are a bit dirty, but they'll be all cleaned down as well, and they kind of just, stuff just picks off them. Hopefully it will look pretty when it's finished. I can't believe this is all that's left to be done. Yay! Okay, so I didn't get as much of the Mosaic finished as I thought I would, because we're going to the cinema, but I did clean off excuse me, what, John? But we did clean, or I did clean down the Mosaic here and around here, and all of the cement has kind of gone off it, but I'm leaving this bit to dry, so that's kind of all I got done. Not a whole lot, but it still looks pretty good and it's coming along nice. Then it has to be grouted as well, so I'm gonna put like a dark grout all around the tiles, even though John thinks it looks nice like that, but no, I think a dark grout would look a bit better. Yeah, so that's basically it. I hate doing this part because it's like flat and then it goes up to like the step, so it's not going very well, but look, it'll be fine when it's done. But making progress. It's slow and steady wins the race. Okay guys, so we're at the last bit of the Mosaic and I'm just finished here. John, stop. I just finished here and this is the last little bit, so I'm gonna put in a little white or a little yellow tile, I think, in there. if I can find one, like I think this one might go in there perfect, and then just do the darker tiles around it. It looks really messy, but you remember last night all here was so messy and I just cleaned it all down and it'll look lovely. Yeah, I know it looks like a hot mess right now, but trust me, it'll be lovely. Okay, so the last time you guys saw the haul, it was probably white, and currently John and I are painting it duck egg blue. And I think we're going to do the soft Hessian on the bottom. Obviously this still needs to be pulled out and everything, but it's actually quite nice. I wasn't really too sure about the duck egg blue because I thought maybe it was a bit too cold, but it's actually not bad. And you can see like the ceilings are so high, like it's actually not too bad. So we're coming down here, we're going to put a little skirting or a dado rail across there. And obviously like keep it white, or not keep it white, keep it soft Hessian or white underneath. We're not really sure yet, but I'm actually not too displeased with the colour. It's actually quite nice. I don't know, did I show you our bedroom? So it's been painted the soft Hessian and that's all done, and then the doors have been hung and they've been, you know, they're painted as well. Like we might need to go over this room with a second coat, but not for, you know, until this dries. We only did it today. And then obviously you would have seen the bathroom where I still need to kind of clean off my Mosaic. And then the kitchen, I don't know, you won't be able to see too much of it, but it's all painted too. There's my mirror, and then we cleaned down the sink a wee bit, and I need to paint these as well. And then in here we have kind of all this painted. This is done, ready for the underlay carpet, and we just have a little fire going at the moment, and it's super warm in here. I'm really happy. Like everything's coming along really nice. You can see how many issues we had with paint. We had a lot of options that we were going through. To be honest, I kind of wanted this color, but John likes blues, so we ended up going with the duck egg. But it's actually not too bad. It's not as cold as I thought it would look, and I think once everything's painted it will look quite nice. Hi guys, sorry, let's turn down the egos. I am on the way home after finishing my Mosaic, so I'm just really happy. I know you guys are probably sick to death hearing about a Mosaic, but it's just become my life lately. I'm actually dreaming about it even. Yeah, heading home. We're going to the cinema at 9, so it's 8:15 now. I'm just gonna have to like rush my little butt to get ready and go to the cinema. I think we're going to see The Equalizer 2 with Denzel Washington in it, and that Chloe, oh god, I can never say her surname. Anyway, that girl. If you haven't seen The Equalizer, it was actually a really good movie. I really enjoyed The Equalizer, so this is the second one. I remember a little bit of the first one, like I remember enjoying it, and I remember the end part, which I won't obviously disclose, but it was a good movie. So we're gonna go see the second one tonight. Wow, that was a beautiful sunset. John's gone down to pick us up Caesar salads from, I don't know where they're getting them from. I don't know where he's actually getting them from. Some salad. Oh god, it's not Papa John's. I don't know where he's getting them from. He's getting us salads anyway to eat, because I know I'm gonna want nachos and I'm gonna want like popcorn, but I do need to eat something a little bit substantial. Some of you probably think that a salad is not substantial, but it fills me, and I always like get loads of lettuce in it and stuff. Oh my god, my eyes are black. I'm just so deflated and tired tonight. And John was like, you're so pretty today, and I was like, I look like a foot. What are you talking about? But he's just so cute. Like, he always makes me feel a bit better when I feel like so I'm gonna go in now and get ready, because it's, yeah, 7:20 now. 8:20, sorry. I'm getting very late. Okay guys, I'm off to the cinema. I look really orange in this lighting. I don't know what's happening. Look blue. That is because it's night. I don't know what's happening. Here, let's pull down this blind. That's a bit better. I'm going off to the cinema and yeah, ready to go. Need a jacket. I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Sorry I had to end it really quickly. It's just, I am actually late. I'm going to talk to you soon. Ah, and I have lipstick on my Invisalign. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.